Are you in the market for a new job? ChatGPT thinks there are some important lessons to be learned from The Devil Wears Prada. Welcome back to the AI Easy button, where we bring everyday people tips and tricks to take advantage of the fast-growing world of AI to make your life easier. Today we're talking job hunting. While we're not talking tools exactly, we did use one of the most popular tools around right now, ChatGPT. Here's what it had to say when we asked us what The Devil Wears Prada could teach us about job hunting. Although the film is set in the fashion industry, the lessons it teaches are valuable for anyone seeking a new job or trying to grow in their career. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Let's get started. First up is the importance of adapting to your work environment. Remember how Andy Sachs, played by Anne Hathaway, initially struggled in her new role because she didn't fit into the fashion world. She eventually learned to adapt her appearance and behavior to fit in better. As a job hunter, it's crucial to understand and adapt to the culture of a company or industry to increase your chances of success. Next, let's talk about the value of hard work and proactivity. Despite her initial struggles, Andy proved her worth by working hard and taking the initiative. She learned to anticipate her boss's needs and exceed expectations. Job hunters should approach their job search with the same determination and commitment. Always be ready to go the extra mile. One of the most powerful aspects of Andy's journey is her development of a strong professional network. Throughout the film, she builds relationships with influential people in her industry, which ultimately proves valuable in her career. Make sure to focus on building a strong network, both online and offline, to increase your chances of finding job opportunities and receiving valuable advice. Here's a lesson that many of us struggle with: knowing our worth. As Andy's story progresses, she begins to realize her value as an employee and the sacrifices she's made for her job. Recognizing your own worth and standing up for yourself can lead to better opportunities and a more satisfying career. Don't be afraid to advocate for yourself. Now let's talk about work-life balance. Andy's dedication to her job causes her to neglect her personal relationships, which ultimately takes a toll on her well-being. As you navigate your career, remember the importance of maintaining a balance between your professional and personal lives. It's crucial for your overall happiness and mental health. Work is never that important. Miranda Priestley, played by Meryl Streep, is a textbook example of a demanding, tough boss. While not all bosses will be like her, it's important to be prepared for difficult work environments and learn how to navigate them professionally. Develop strategies for handling challenging people and situations, and for staying calm under pressure. Finally, let's discuss knowing when to move on. At the end of the film, Andy realizes that the job and industry are not the right fit for her, and she decides to move on. Job hunters should also be open to reevaluating their career paths and making changes if a job or industry is not fulfilling their goals and values. We post informative and actionable tips and strategies for job hunters a few times a week. Don't miss out. Subscribe right now and let us know you did by leaving a comment. Before we wrap up, let's recap the 7 lessons from The Devil Wears Prada. Adapt to your work environment. Work hard and be proactive. Develop your network. Know your worth. Maintain a work-life balance. Be prepared for tough bosses. Know when to move on. Thank you so much for joining us today. We'd love to hear your thoughts on how they apply to your own career journey. And remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Keep learning, growing, and striving for success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.